Every book a call link on your site is really just one appointment type. And if you only have one, you're forcing every lead into the same slot. A quick chat and a paid consultation? Not the same meeting. Open appointments and go to appointment types, then hit new type. Give it a name. Say, discovery call. Set the duration in minutes and pick a color so it's easy to spot on your calendar. Now the details that matter. Under location, choose how you meet. Online only, on-site only, or smart, which lets Vyroq auto-detect. Pick your platform, Google Meet, Zoom, MS Teams, or drop in a custom link. Need to get paid for this one? Flip on. Require payment before confirming, set your price and currency, and add a refund policy. Free consult? Just leave it off. Simple as that. Then set your scheduling windows. Buffer time before and after, minimum notice, and how far out leads can book. Under availability, toggle each weekday and add time ranges, Monday 9 to 5, weekends closed, whatever fits your week. One more thing. Under booking policy, you decide if AI can book this type through conversations and whether it needs your approval first. That's automated scheduling on your terms. Hit save, and your new type is live and bookable. Build as many types as your business needs. Start yours free at vyroq.com, no credit card, 14-day money-back guarantee.